Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's Bitcoin update for a critical update right now. And very quickly, guys, we lost this particular trend line right now, the yellow line. I told you. As long as we're holding the yellow line, we're not losing structure. As soon as we lost the structure, even in my signal guide, I've already told people to actually, hold up their teeth from here right now. And the thing is, um, that's it, guys. Okay, that's it. No double bottoms, no fancy bullish patterns, no reversals. You went up to this particular resistance, got rejected, went down, lost the yellow line, and that's it for me. Okay, that's it. I've told you so many times in the past that in order for me to start flip bullish a little bit to the downside, this yellow line has to be lost, and it's a very, very, very clear loss of the yellow line. You you might just come a little bit up back to 40,756. From there, back test and then continue to the downside. Now for me, guys, the next target, you might be wondering, is going to be $37,000. And the reason why I'm going to tell you why Bitcoin is moving to the $37,000 is because this was your level of resistance right there. Do you see that? Yeah, that's going to be your next level of resistance from here. And you go down to $37,000. You could start buying a little bit at this blue line that I'm going to mark for you right now. And that's going to be $37,200. Yeah, so I hope that the previous updates for Bitcoin have been pretty helpful to you right now. And to me, guys, I told you every single time that in order for you to flip to the other side, you lose some structure. Unless you don't lose any structure, you don't flip to the other side. Now, this was your touch, your touch there, your touch there, your touch there, another touch there. Finally, it's lost. Simple. When you lose support, you're gonna go even way more down. Now, the chances of going to these price levels that I've been giving you, 29,000 and 24,000, is getting even more higher, is increasing. The chances of going to all to these blue lines that I'm marking right now are getting in play at the moment. So I do even see Bitcoin could be interested to go to $33,000. Okay, and remember that it could even dump way more than 33,000 to the 29,000 region. Now, to me, the reality is 37,000 is still something that's just going to move a little bit like this and then go all the way to the downside. So basically, it's now creating a very, very big downtrend. You went down like this, consolidate, go down, consolidate, go down, again, consolidate, go down, consolidate, go down, consolidate, go down, consolidate here, go down, consolidate there to 35,000, go down to 29,000, consolidate, and maybe potentially go to $24,000. So this could be a potential, and I've been giving this heads up in every single video possible. I've been telling every single person that the day that I'm going to see this yellow line being lost, that's it, guys. The Bitcoin is just going to be absolutely, going to the downside as well. So if I dive into the BLX too, I'm going to show you the BLX. And in this BLX, look what happened. The 1.414 is also being lost. Okay. See, on a higher time Fibonacci retracements from 2017 cycle top to the bear market, the 1.414, 41,843 was a big level of support. So it does even actually make sense that you go all the way down to 1.272. And as a matter of fact, if you go down to nearly $37,000, you're losing this big ascending triangle. Do you see that? You're losing the ascending triangle. So what's going to happen is when you lose the ascending triangle, you go back to where you potentially that ascending triangle, and look where it takes you, all the way back to $25,000 or $24,000. Pretty simple. You lose the structure, you don't support it. You lose support, you don't support it. You respect the support, you support it. It's very, very simple theory. Okay, just learn this along the way. And yes, I was actually I was really, really um into this, bear pennant that I've spoke about before. And that was a very, very clear damn pennant. And that's it, guys. Even the spinning top, it's got invalidated, okay? The moment you go below the spinning top, this place, the moment you go below it, that's it, okay? You invalidate a candle. And I did say it. Just because we saw the spinning top, it doesn't guarantee that you're still gonna go to the upside. And invalidations and abandon of a pattern, they all happen. And that's just how trading works. And I couldn't ignore the fact that I say, okay, oh, the spinning top is not gonna work. No, guys, sometimes the spinning top, in most cases, the spinning top do work, and they actually do represent the fact that you're gonna go for a reversal to the upside. Okay, so this has gone below the spinning top candlestick, and that has been invalidated. So it's pretty simple. Okay, it's now even getting more and more clear when I said that this bear flag is something to pay attention to, and then that head and shoulder is something we're going to have to pay attention to. So from here to here, look where this is going to take you. This is going to take you all the way down to $30,000. Okay, so technical target is there for $30,000, unfortunately, or even $29,000 is there. Now when you do come down here and lose this structure, we're going to talk about the next dump as well. So to me, the next big level of support is going to be $29,000, but it's not going to go straight down. It's going to take a break here at the 37,000 a little bit, and then maybe potentially continue the downtrend to the $29,000 as well. So that's it for today's critical update on Bitcoin as well, and I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.